It's John McLaughlin. Now, in a previous video, which you can see just here, I spoke about the webinar funnel and how effective webinars can be and how to put them together. In this video, I'm going to talk about probably one of the most effective funnels you can put together, which is the quiz and survey funnels. And not only does it just develop leads and subscribers, but really highly engaged subscribers, because they're already down the path of being engaged with your content because of what we call commitment and consistency theory. So I'm going to talk about that. I want to talk about how effective they are and how you can start them for yourself. But let me show you a quick demonstration. So what you can see just up here, this is my johnmclaughlin.com website, and the first thing you see when you visit the site is the survey. And essentially what I'm saying is, turn your passion into profits, get involved with an online business, but which online business is best for you? And that's really the heart of the quiz. And what I say is take the 1 minute quiz. So if you go and you've got to have a look at johnmclaughlin.com and take the quiz for yourself. But essentially, if I click on take the quiz, it's going to take me down a number of different options. So I'll start the quiz. And it says which one describes you now. Okay, so let's just assume I'm a beginner. I'm looking to start an online business, and I'll continue. All right, so let's find your passion. What does your ideal business look like? What do I want to do? Okay, let's have it where I want to build residual income to build a lifestyle before I retire, because I deal with a lot of people over 50 in that position. So I'm going to click on that, click on continue. So what monthly income do I want to achieve in 12 months time? Well, let's say we're going to keep between $5,000 and $10,000 per month. Okay, click on continue. Having selected your desired income, how many hours per week do you have to build your ideal business? Well, let's say we're still working. Okay, so we've got 1 to 5 hours. And what area would you like help in your business? Probably, let's say building sales funnel. Let's say getting regular leads, because most people struggle generating regular leads. And how serious am I? Okay, now you can put on there I'm coachable, because that's really what you want. You want people who are coachable and are going to do whatever it takes in the next 12 months without any excuses. Although we've all got excuses, to be fair. Right, so what it's saying there is it's assessed my answers, and it said my quiz results are RC. Okay, add your details below to discover why RC is the right online business for you. Okay, so what I'm going to do, I'm going to put my name and details in here. So this may work. I don't know if I'm already subscribed. Let's see what happens. We'll click on submit. Okay, and it says congratulations, details are on your way to the inbox. So then I then go and check my inbox to have a look at those results and find out exactly what it is. Let's go and take a look at that. Okay, so as it says here, it says your quiz results are in, John. So I'm going to click on there and I'll see what we've got. So we've got an email from me or from the system just saying your quiz results are in, and click here to watch your results now. So I'm going to click on that. So these are the results. So essentially what I'm doing, I'm talking people through the results, and so let's just see what I say.
Okay, so thanks for submitting your answers, some really good answers there, so that you got some really good income goals, by the way.
So what I'm doing there is I'm talking about their particular answers, because what the funnel has done, I'm going to show you exactly how it segments people, and this is why you're going to get really highly engaged subscribers. I've talked about the results and I'm already on a level with them. You've given me some really good answers. Everyone struggles with leads, okay? Everyone does, okay? But now that's more of a confirmation. And this button below is basically my recommendation for what they should do if they want to create a membership site, or if they want to create residual income, whatever it is. I refer them to one of my sales pages. So if I click on that, now this is the sales page, or at least the landing page towards upselling people something to another product that is going to really help them. Okay, so earn a full-time income with these 3 lucrative residual income streams. Remember that they wanted to look at residual income for retirement. So this particular page is absolutely relevant for the answers that they submitted in the survey. And that's why it's really powerful. So I talk about that. I talk about the retirement income plan, as again, just giving the information that they actually requested, and then I click on there, and this then will then go through to a sales page where they can buy a product which is targeted for them. So this is why potentially building a quiz and survey funnel is one of the most effective funnels you can build, because you're building a highly targeted and engaged audience. So how do you put it together? Let me show you. So the back end of this, as you've just seen, okay, I've got just an image and then the button where it says start the quiz, and that then takes people to the next stage of the funnel. So if I go and show you the funnel, here's the funnels. So we've got quiz survey, then we've got the actual quiz itself, and you've just seen this on the previous page. So when I started people on the quiz, essentially what I wanted to do was ask some questions, and then you can segment them into different areas, as I've just said. Now what I wanted to do was start with 4 questions. I think if you start with 2 questions, probably not enough, and 6 questions might be a little bit overwhelming for most people. So 4 questions is nice, it's nice and balanced. And the first thing I do is I ask them, what describes you right now? Gets them talking about them, okay, and it engages people. So if I show you edit fields, so the current situation is step 1, and what I did is, as you can see here, there's a score attached to all these different questions. And to make it really easy, depending on the score is where you segment people to. And the ultimate aim of what you want to do is make it relevant for them. So the way I scored it was real simple. Okay, so everything scores a 1. If I go back to your ideal business, you're looking for something AI, you're looking for passive income in retirement. So you can see, look, simplicity and AI. I want to create and sell my own digital courses. I want a paid membership. I want to stand out in my network marketing company, residual income in retirement, and a mission to scale. Okay, and I've scored these differently. And what I've done, the reason I've scored them in this way is to keep them separate, because this is the only way that I want to segment people about what they want to do. That's it. Okay, everything else scores 1, but finding their passion is how they score themselves. Okay, so if somebody wants an AI automation, that's where they go. Okay, they go into the AI automation segmented list. If somebody wants their own digital course, they go onto that list, and that is the only segmentation. It keeps it really easy for me, and it keeps it straightforward in terms of the scoring process. If I show you the other ones, so the monthly income, whether they want to earn $50,000 or $500, they all score 1. Okay, you get that? They all score 1. Hours per week, they all score 1. So the only segmentation I use is what do they want to do, and that's as simple as it is. Now in terms of the actual funnel itself, you can change, these are all my branded colors, you can change everything about this. You can change the questions, you can change everything, make it totally relevant for you. So let's have a quick look at the schematic. So this is, I'm sorry it's a little bit blurred, but this is I've blown it up quite a bit. So what you can see there is the actual quiz funnel itself, then it goes through to the opt-in. So those opt-ins, they're all segmented. So it goes through to a certain opt-in, and it can be the passive income opt-in. It can be the residual income opt-in. It can be the I want to scale my business opt-in. They're all different. So what it does mean, it means that you've got to set up different lists in your email autoresponder, different thank you pages, and different follow-up processes for that. And when you first do this, it can seem like a lot of work, particularly if you did do what I did, which is to do videos for each one. But it's so worth it. And occasionally you're gonna have to go and update those. But what you're doing is you're developing an engaged list, And it's all right having people on your subscriber list. Years ago, people would say, I've got 25,000 people on my email list. Isn't it great? Well, no, not if they're not engaged. It's better to have 500 people or 1,000 people on your email list who are actively engaging with what you've got, because it's relevant for them. And everything in marketing and everything in business is all about helping your audience. Okay, so that's it. So the survey opt-in, you've got the different thank you pages, and of course you've got different email autoresponders based on what they want to do. So it's highly targeted, and you are talking directly to them and their wants and their needs. Now you might look at this and think, well, it's quite a lot of work putting it all together. How do I overcome that? Well, this particular funnel is built in my funnel builder, and if you want access to it, you can just copy mine, or you can copy somebody else's who's got one available, and all the kind of framework is all done for you, and all you need to do is then change the questions and make it relevant to you and your audience. So it's all done for you. The other thing I'll say about this is, if you go around the internet and you look at different quiz survey funnel type software, it'll start at about $49 a month for a good one, up to sort of $97, $297 in some cases, and I've seen that. Now this is built inside my funnel builder, which is $25 a month. Not only does it include, I know it sounds like an upsell I'm selling you, but what I want to do is make you aware of what's out there, because there's so much software out there that is really expensive that does the same as what we do for $25 a month. Bearing in mind, you can have unlimited funnels in this, and you can also have unlimited domain names if you wish. Okay, so look, quiz survey funnel, I can just drag that in. Okay, if I wanted to do a booking, like a calendar, book on my calendar, I used to use something that was $12 a month. It's not a huge amount, but why would I pay an additional subscription when this does it as well? Okay, so I can grab that and put that on there. This is really simple and straightforward. This is probably the easiest funnel builder I've ever used. It's hosted on Amazon AWS, so it's lightning fast, it's secure. I don't have to worry about it being hacked or bugged or anything else, because somebody else deals with that, and because I'm getting good service from Amazon. The other thing I'll say is that all the products within this product suite with the Home Business Academy, they pay 80% commissions. So you tell me a business that doesn't want this. You tell me a business that would benefit from being able to engage on the front end with their customers and clients, or future clients, with a survey or a quiz funnel. They're highly engaged, and you can do it for $25 a month. For me, it's an excellent product. It's a no-brainer when it comes to business. It's a no-brainer when it comes to developing cash flow, and also with those 80% commissions. If you're somebody who is looking for an additional income stream, if you're worried about financial security in retirement, this is one of those affiliate programs that works, and it keeps on delivering. It's not just a funnel builder, but it's also a suite of tools. As you see it, have a look at my other videos where I talk about the premium side of the Home Business Academy. It really doesn't compare to anything anymore. It used to compare to many things. They upgraded their systems back in January of 2026. It's completely changed, and I will say it's now a world-class product that you can earn an additional income stream with in retirement, a passive income stream, and it's so powerful. But things like this, they really work. And there are so many gimmicks out there right now on social media. There are a lot of people jumping on trends, and for you, if you want to build up a passive income, if you're serious about having that financial security in retirement, it's all about putting yourself on the front end. It's really about engaging in the right way with your audience and giving people quality, not just jumping on the next trend and hoping something will work. And that's where doing video is good, and where doing things like quiz and survey funnels really work, because like I said before, you develop highly engaged subscribers, and that's what you want. It gives you a massive leverage tool. So if you go to the link just below, it's called 3minuteplan.com, click that, it's going to take you to this page, and this is a page that I put together in the funnel builder, and it's basically me talking about how to develop a simple routine to build a second income online after 50. There's a download that you can download, and on the next page after this, I talk about the funnel builder, I talk about the Home Business Academy in different ways, and it's really going to give you the information that I've been talking about, because you know, when you're over 50 and you're looking to build something in retirement, there are so many things out there. I know what it's like when you're doing research and all you want is all the information to have a look and someone to talk to, and I give you access to do that as well. In fact, if you go at the descriptions below, you can go onto my calendar page, again a page that I created inside the funnel builder, where you can book a call with me and we can have a one-to-one over Zoom. And again, this isn't, you know, a pressure tactic, it's just a general conversation as to whether this is for you or not, answer any questions, and then go from there. So I hope this video has really helped you to understand the power of quiz and survey funnels, and if you are looking for that additional income and security in retirement, then you know, this is something to have a look at. And you know, don't make any decisions right now. Book a call with me, we can have a chat, have a look at the information, and just take things from there. But if you got some value from this, hit the subscribe button just down below, and any questions that you've got, reach out to me, put them in the comments just below, because most people have questions, they don't always reach out with comments, and if you do comment, I always answer them, and it helps the wider community to make better decisions. So go and do that as well. Anyway, hope you got some value from this, and we'll talk soon. Bye for now.